Hello friends, multiplication of fraction by another fraction. Now 48 by 35 multiply with 25 by 16. First of all friends, these denominator cut with this numerator. 16 ones are 16 and 16 threes are 48. Now friends, this numerator cut with this denominator. 5 5s are 25 and 5 7 times 35. Now friends, 3 multiply with 5 and 7 multiply with 1. Now this numerator multiply with numerator. 3 multiply by 5 and 7 multiply with 1. Denominator multiply with denominator. 7 once time. So friends, 3 times 5 15, 7 times 1 7. So the answer is 15 by 7. Now friends, please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.